Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking Delights, and this is episode number 3 of our family meal series. Today we are doing homemade pizza with homemade marinara sauce, so I'm going to start with that first. You will need 3 tins of chopped tomato, as much garlic as you like. As you know, we love garlic in this house. I've also got some garlic olive oil for cooking, and a nice big bunch of basil. So to start with, we're going to peel the garlic. I mean, there's many ways you can peel it. I just like to get the knife on top and give it a bash, and you can see that it comes off pretty easily. So I'm going to do that with the rest of the garlic, and I'll be back with you. So as you can see, I've bashed all my garlic now and peeled it. Next thing we're going to do is to finely chop it. Who else likes garlic? I mean, I've been researching garlic on the internet, and apparently through different sources it's got very good benefits. I use garlic quite a lot. We all like garlic in this house, but I think apparently it's got very good antibacterial or antibiotic, yeah. What do you call it? Antibiotic what, Mark? Properties, yeah. And also I've heard that it does help fight various forms of cancer. Now don't quote me on it guys, I'm only just reading the internet. Sometimes you can't trust what the internet says. I mean, in the authentic Italian recipe, when I was researching this marinara sauce I'm cooking today, they just slice the garlic. So, as you can see, our garlic is now finely chopped. Yep. And then we're going to start cooking it. And then after we've chopped our garlic, the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to save this for the end, but as the sauce is cooking and reducing, we're going to add some fresh basil into it. You just want to give it, you don't want to give it a fine chop, you just want to roughly chop, yeah. So I find that if you chop it too much it starts to bruise. So just a fine chop like that will be perfect. Okay, so let's get cracking and start to cook our sauce. So we need a low to medium flame. What we don't want is to burn the garlic, because then it will become very bitter. We just want a slight pale tinge. Add a little bit of...
almost like, just before it starts to burn.
I'd say that's a good tablespoon of olive oil. I know that they put more in, but we're just going to add a tablespoon. And then we're going to add our garlic to the pan. I find garlic to be very sticky, it sticks to your fingers. It's the oils in it, I think. It's got oil as well.
Oh.
And it just sticks to your hands. And we're going to let that fry. Get your spoon. And then...
They should didn't throw so much here with the spoon.
What? No, no.
Yeah.
No spoon.
Love that film.
Can you see guys now that's starting to get, at this point you don't want to go any further than that because it's going to burn. So let's add our tomatoes.
You should have 3 tins. That's quite a lot.
Well, the good uses of this is not only is it going to go on our pizza, but you can use it. So let's use all the tins out because I want all the juice out. Not only is it going to go into the pizza, but you can use it for pasta. So you can actually make more meals out of this, guys. Because it is quite a large recipe. But what I will do is I'll probably just save it completely for the pizzas, and I'll put this in a sealable tub and freeze it. So I'm going to increase the heat.
Or at the very least, fridge it.
Or fridge it. But obviously it's not going to last a lifetime, is it, in the fridge?
Well, no, it just depends on how much you like marinara, but
Yeah.
and how often you're going to use it.
Yeah. I mean, what you can put, you can put it on pasta, you can put it on pizzas.
You can put it on blended chips.
Yeah, you can. We're going to add the half of the basil. And then when that comes up to a simmer, we're going to simmer this for, well, I think for me, I'm going to make it quite thick.
We want as little bits in it as possible.
Yeah, so it's going to cook quite a while. I'd say, they do say 15 minutes if you're going to have it as a pasta sauce, but I'm going to cook it far longer than that. So I'm going to try and cook it for at least, I'm going to check it after 20, but I think it's going to go in for at least half an hour. Because I want to order the water juice.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's just like a thick sauce. So when it comes to a boil up, guys, just turn the heat down and then it's simmer. Okay, this has been cooking for at least, I should say, 35-40 minutes now.
About that, yeah.
Yeah, so this is the consistency that I want. As you can see, it's quite thick, quite a thick consistency, and the smell is just amazing in this kitchen.
Oh yeah.
Garlic smell is it? So this is consistency you want for your topping on your pizza. If you wanted it to do for your pasta bolognese, then I wouldn't cook it that long because you want a saucy consistency. This is quite a thick one. And if you noticed throughout the video, I was using a masher because Mark doesn't like lumps.
So I mean, for a pizza, you don't want lumps.
So we took out as much lumps as we can. Right, we're going to test it now, Mark. I can't taste test it, you know. So you're going to test it for seasoning. So I've got some pepper in. Let me know when, Mark.
There, anything's coming out.
It is, you know. It's not coming out.
Wow. Should we just use the hand one?
What hand one?
There you go now.
What's an idiot? Guys, you're just making me stand there like an idiot.
The pepper anyway. And you've got the hand one for salt.
I've got the salt one. Okay. Let's press some salt.
That's better.
Let me know, Mark.
Because of what you already put in, that should do.
Okay. And I think we'll just do a quarter teaspoon of salt. Or a little bit under. And then you can test it for
Flavour.
flavour. So put a spoonful of salt. And look at that.
Now, I've got my spoon at the ready.
So I have to go to 1 dip spoon. Right. Make sure you blow it. Let's turn the heat off. Now I know some people add sugar to the acidity, but I haven't had it now. Does it need any more basil in?
No.
Does it need any more salt in?
Me personally, I'd probably add a bit more.
Can you wash your spoon and taste test it again? Because we don't want the wood if you. taste like?
Just tastes like a really good marinara sauce.
Okay.
That's the only way I can describe it.
Is it better than shop balls?
Oh god, yeah.
There we go. Right, so if you want an authentic marinara sauce, just follow the recipe, guys. If you want it thinner, I won't cook it as long. And if you want this consistency, it took about 35 to 40 minutes on a low heat.
If you want less bits in it, just use kind of hand blender things.
Which we can't find.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to leave it like that.
Mm-hmm.